Good morning, investors. My name is Louis from the CoSec research team. Today is Monday, the 21st of March, and here is your pre-market wrap. On Friday, the Australian stock market rose 0.63% to 7,291 and is set to be bolstered this morning from a strong lead-in from the US, where all three major indexes ended in the green. The latest bounce back in stocks is being questioned by many, however, as markets across the world contend with various sources of volatility. Goldman Sachs has said the S&P 500 faces a, quote, daunting task in providing strong returns this year as rising costs and wage inflation hit company balance sheets. While in Europe, the impact of Western sanctions is now being felt by Russia as store shelves empty with imported goods no longer being a part of daily life. The Kremlin's push in recent years to build a self-sufficient economy has, to many experts, failed, with imports in many areas such as non-consumer goods and telecommunications actually rising. Further, the Russian ruble is also down 29% year to date, increasing the cost of goods that still can be imported. Meanwhile, Europe's central index, the Stock 600, rose with the US last week, technology, travel and leisure stocks outperforming. While in Asia, markets ended broadly higher, with real estate outperforming, rising 6.7%, as regulators are expected to loosen credit restrictions to encourage further home buying. And moving to commodities, oil and iron ore rose over the week, and gold ended slightly lower. And finally, to currencies, the recent strength of the US dollar is expected to persist, according to Capital Economics. They also see the 10-year yield rising to 2.75 to 3% by the end of the year. And finally, for this morning, our SPY futures are pointing to a stronger start today. They are 0.81% higher at 7,323. This market wrap has been brought to you by CoSec, Kadari Securities.